Welcome to Maisie's Classroom. Welcome back to our nature series. This is our third video in this series, Science Concepts. If you haven't already seen parts 1 and 2, please go back to our channel and see part 1 on maths numeracy, part 2 on English literacy. We'll put the links down below as well. So today we're going to talk about things that are living, non-living, and things that were once living. Now this in particular can be a little bit confusing depending on the age of the child. And what we talk about in science is something called a misconception. So that's an idea that a child has about something that is not quite correct, but it can be very long withstanding. So we need to make sure that we're opening those discussions with children to correct those misconceptions. So you can see I have a number of items at the top of the screen here today. So we're going to be sorting them into the 3 different groups. So these leaves are freshly picked, they are living, they are green and they are fresh. We can see lots of different leaves that are here that are all going into our living category. Non-living items that we have are the rocks. So we've got rocks of different shapes, different sizes and different textures that are all non-living. Now the once living category, again, can be a little bit tricky for children. But what we can say is that a piece of bark was once living as it was part of a tree. And you can see that this twig was once living. Again, it was part of a tree, but it's no longer living. Same for this palm frond, and these dead leaves, and this leaf that is yellowing and dying. So we can see that we have our 3 areas. We've got our living items, our non-living items, and our once living natural items. In the comments below, I'd love to hear some of your ideas and feedback about this tricky area of items that were once living. What did you find in your backyard that was living, non-living, and once living? Thanks for watching. Now you know, go and play.